back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead. This one is from the company Visual Comfort and Company. They are hiring an order entry specialist. Now, this is remote within the United States. And of course, if you're interested in applying, the links to all of the pages that I share are always in the YouTube description box below. But Visual Comfort is hiring someone to accurately review and process approximately 100 web online orders a day. You ensure that expedited orders are reviewed and submitted by the cutoff time each day. You'll manage follow-up on 75 to 100 open orders each day for domestic and international customers. And of course, you'll generate FedEx return labels for 25 to 30 product returns each day. So what I'm assuming this is like is when I go onto Amazon and I've ordered something and then I want to return it, I go into my order history and I hit return, and then a label is generated for me to print, so it's prepaid shipping, so I don't have to pay to ship the item back. So I'm assuming that's what that means. On top of processing the orders, you'll be generating those return labels and emailing them to the customers or having them in their account so they can print them at home. Now, they do prefer a 2 or 4 year college degree, but it's not required. The only thing required is a high school diploma. They want someone who has 1 to 3 years of previous job experience in data entry, someone who is comfortable navigating across multiple systems and applications, so a multitasker. Of course, you need to know Microsoft Office. That's Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, all of those things. You need to be able to enter data and navigate different screens to retrieve data in a sales management system. So you're going to have great organization and time management skills, and of course, strong attention to detail. You'll have to double check those little things to make sure the shipping addresses are correct and all of those things. Now, unfortunately, they do not list pay here. They do say they offer a competitive salary with a monthly bonus compensation program. They do pay completely 100% for your medical insurance, and they include paid life insurance as well. They also include paid time off and 401k. Now, I tried to do some research on GlassDoor, and while I could not find any pay for a order entry specialist, Visual Comfort and Company does have a GlassDoor page. They do have quite a few good reviews from people that have worked there. So, of course, I will leave their GlassDoor page linked down below if you want to do your own research. I always highly recommend, before filling out an application and giving your personal information to any of these companies, that you do your own research on the company. I try my best to weed out any scams and do my own research before sharing, but as always, do your own research and so you feel comfortable giving your information to people. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I am always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for things to share, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.